welcome back to my channel. With back to school coming up, if you're going back to school that is, I thought I'd share a super simple notebook tutorial. This took under 5 minutes and holds up well. This notebook requires lined or dotted paper, binder clips, glue, and 2 to 3 sheets of cardstock. I would assume paper works too, but it would be pretty flimsy. Line up the paper. I'm using around 50 sheets and clip the right side. Now glue together the pages. Press and hold it down for a minute. This is also when you can reapply glue where needed. Next, cut a strip of paper that's about 1.5 to 2 centimeters wide. Let that dry down, and with a full sheet of cardstock, fold a thin strip and glue it to the spine. Hold it for a bit, then flip over the notebook. I unclip the binder clips at this stage. Now repeat the last step and glue down another sheet of cardstock to the back of the spine. Reapply glue where needed, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate the support. I also have a TikTok account at Destination DIY where I post snippets of videos. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!